Welcome back. We've got a special guest this morning, Chef Anthony Fisher from Pittsburgh High School Culinary Arts Program, and we're going to be doing something a little bit different today. Typically, we start making a recipe or you tell us what we're going to be making, but we're going to switch the tables on you.
Yes, we're doing something a little bit different this morning. We're holding our invitational competition at the high school next week. So in honor of that competition, we are unboxing a mystery ingredient.
That's right. Let's talk a little bit about this competition. Who competes? What all goes into it?
Well, it's student-led, so the students help put on the program. And this year, we have a team from Sparta High School down by Branson who's going to be participating. Their instructor, Chef Laurent Watts, is coming to be a part of it. And then I have a team of students, which will be announced on Friday, and myself. So the student teams will compete against each other and then against Chef Laurent and myself in a head-to-head mystery box competition. 3 rounds, an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert round. And we don't know. But thanks to our beautiful sponsors, we have all sorts of goodies.
Will they have mystery ingredients in each round?
They'll have mystery ingredients in each round. They'll have a mystery protein for the entree round. Last year, they gave me Vienna sausages and fondant.
For your protein round?
Well, I got Vienna sausages for my entree round, and then I got fondant for my dessert round.
Okay.
Which kind of just threw me for a loop because with all the beautiful fruit they had in there, I thought I was going a different way. And then I had fondant. I was not too excited, but it was a lot of fun last year.
Fondant is a challenge to work with if you've never worked with it.
It is.
So, yeah.
I ended up using it to sweeten up a berry tart, so I didn't have to use any artificial sugars. I was really excited about it. It came out really good. My students learned a lot. I cannot believe how well they came together last year. So.
Okay, and you have a team of 3 students that'll be competing, but you've got a lot of kids in the culinary arts program. So how do you decide which 3?
We have a showdown like tomorrow during class. There is a cook-off for each one of my classes where 2 teams of students will go on 3 students each will go against each other all morning long until I make the final decision of which 3 will be the ones competing on next week.
So
and I'm excited.
Earn their spot on the team.
Yes, they do. And it's not just, this team won and this team won and this team won. I'm looking at the individual students. Do you have leadership skills? Do you have the skills inside the kitchen? Do you follow well? Do you work well with others? Do you have an imagination? Do you understand what's going on? So the students are competing against each other, but they're also competing for themselves.
All right.
Well,
okay, so we've got quite a display on the table here. We have a new partner with us.
Yes, I'm excited to announce that Martinez Produce is working with us. They'll be providing the produce for all future shows, and they offer a unique opportunity for our community with their weekly bundle boxes, and I brought 2 of them with me this week to use to help me prepare your mystery protein.
Yes, you don't know what you're going to get. Yeah.
So, and I didn't know what to shop for. I didn't know what to bring, so I brought a whole bunch of stuff with me, and I told them what was going on. They said, well, we'll take really good care of you, and this is what they've given me. So this is their vegetable box, and we have some beautiful asparagus, some huge, beautiful Idaho potatoes, cucumbers, avocados, peppers, carrots, grape tomatoes. These are beautiful grape tomatoes, some jalapenos, an onion. And each box is $25. You can order it on Monday or Tuesday. Just watch their Facebook page. They announce what's in the boxes. Order by 7 a.m. on Wednesday and pick it up on Thursday.
It's essential that you got some peppers because I know you like to add spice to
your
recipes. So you definitely, I know you're going to be using this stuff right here.
Oh, yes.
For sure.
I'm going to be all up in this and some potatoes. Now I've been thinking all week long, well, if it's fish, I can do this. And if it's pork, I can do this, and beef, I can go this way, but I still just don't know enough yet as to make up my mind which direction I want to go.
Or maybe you want to add something from the fruit box that you were provided. I mean, you've got lemons, so that'll be great.
2 different styles of apples, some beautiful pears, some nice kiwis, a whole bunch of halos, blueberries. I tried one of the blueberries. They're absolutely wonderful this morning. But they're really expensive right now if you go to the grocery store and try and buy them. And the pineapple, I was in love as soon as I took a smell of the pineapple. It's so good. The cantaloupe smells wonderfully sweet. And the grapes are $6 almost a pound. And I have almost 4 pounds of grapes.
Yeah, this is great. Okay, of course, our other sponsor in the morning. Our other partner
Yes.
is Simon Market, and they've been graciously providing us all of our protein for our dishes that we're making, and they have provided today's mystery meat. Went and picked this up yesterday for you. He has not seen it, so this is new to you. This is new to Chef Anthony. Has a good seal on the container. So.
All right, so let's see what we're going to be working with today. Ooh, wonderful beef steak tips. So this is going to play in very nicely with this morning, and I can see he's already run it through his tenderizer. Oh, they're gorgeous, and it's local Missouri beef, which is even better. So local produce, local protein. This whole dish is going to be from right here in our areas.
Okay, so you've got about an hour to get your planning done, get everything. You've got all the dishes and stuff you need in there to work with, and yeah. So to decide how you're going to make the beef tips, are you going to take the easy route, or are you going to take the interesting route? That's what I've been asking him. So.
You know what? In honor of the competition, we're going. And for your aliens, you know what? Let's just take this completely out of this world.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, we are going to come back on the KOA Morning News on Fox 14 with Chef Anthony with an out-of-this-world recipe using beef steak tips. We'll be right back.